Welcome to the Learning Academy. Today we'll be giving you another one of our favorite episodes of the Jamaican cooking show. And of course, today we'll be looking at scrambled eggs. Now, when you wake up early in the morning and you just want to have a quick breakfast and you want to have something very delicious, well, eggs are your best bet. Do you want to do scrambled eggs, or do you just want to fry the egg? Or maybe you just like to boil them. Well, boiling the eggs will take a longer period of time, but I promise you that my scrambled eggs recipe will be quick and very short. So let's get to it. Yes, so remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know how your scrambled eggs turned out. I'm not really going to make any additional sides today. I'll probably just have a slice of bread or piece of cornbread or something to go with it that's quick. However, let's get to it. So we'll need 4 eggs. If you have a larger family, or maybe you like a larger portion or serving of your scrambled eggs, I advise you to get 6 or as many as you would like to scramble today. So you're going to get a little black pepper. You're going to get some salt to put on the side, and you're going to get some cooking oil. Also, feel free to get some natural seasonings. Get a little piece of pepper. Get and it could be scotch bonnet if you like. Get a piece of scallion and some onions if you'd like as well. Whatever you'd like to put in your scrambled eggs, I advise you to get it and put it aside and prepare it for your ingredients. So first thing you're going to do, you're going to get a clean pot. You're going to put that pot on flames. You're going to let it, basically it needs to be dried. Then you're going to add some cooking oil to the pot. Allow that to get heated for a few seconds. Then I advise that you crack your eggs in a separate container. And after cracking them in a separate container and they are suitable for scrambling or frying or whatever you're going to do, maybe you'd like to make an omelette, whatever, go ahead. And then you can pour them into the pot. Now it's very important that the oil is heated. And then you're going to use a fork. If that's all you have, you can use a fork. Use a fork to basically scramble the eggs. You're basically mixing it. Some persons don't like the white in it, so they can choose to remove that before pouring it into the hot pot. And then you add a little salt to your liking and to your taste. Add some black pepper. Add your chopped scallion. Add your chopped pepper and anything else that you'd like to have, and basically stir that in. Stir it in, turn down the flame a little because you don't want your scrambled eggs to be burnt. And after just turn down the flame a little, just continue stirring. If it needs any more oil, feel free to add it. If you think it needs a little bit more salt or anything else to be more colorful, add it. It is your dish and it is your trademark. So whatever it is that you like to do, I encourage you to do it because it's your scrambled eggs. So you basically stir, and in a few seconds, your scrambled eggs will be finished. So I really hope that you will enjoy your scrambled eggs breakfast this morning. You can have it with your pancakes. Those who like to make pancakes on the side. For those of us who just simply love our fried dumplings, we can go ahead and do that. If you just want a slice of bread with some cheese, you can do that. Or you can also use it to make a sandwich. You could also add some frankfurters to your... Yes, you could add frankfurters to your scrambled eggs. And that is just delicious. But so basically when you were basically throwing in the scrambled eggs that you would have cracked, what you're going to do, you're going to add the chopped frankfurters, and then you would add your black pepper and your salt and stir that in. So or you can do it after you scramble the eggs. The frankfurters are easy to cook, or you could add some chopped sausages, whatever for your liking. It will be delicious. And I encourage you, get some fruits or some orange juice and have it. And get some good old Jamaican chocolate tea or some coffee, whatever it is that you love, or maybe some ginger tea, or maybe you want some fever grass tea or leaf of life tea. Any one of these teas will be delicious with your scrambled eggs and bread, or just some persons just want to have their scrambled eggs alone. So remember to Remember, eggs are good for you. They are packed with protein. And starting your day with a healthy breakfast of protein and anything else is just simply good. So as I said, enjoy it with a glass of orange juice and one of your favorite Jamaican teas. And maybe you want to add some fried dumplings, or maybe you just want to try some pancakes. Whatever it is that you would like to have, I challenge you, go ahead and enjoy your breakfast. Breakfast is very important, guys. Have your breakfast, have your glass of orange juice. Maybe you want to put some strawberries to the side, or you want to add some grape, some cantaloupe, some melons, some slices of orange, any fruit that you would like, maybe some papaya. It's always very good to have your breakfast with some fruits, not just fruit juice. Have a variety of fruits that will help to give you antioxidants in your body and also help you to basically digest iron better. So go ahead, enjoy your meal, enjoy your food plate, enjoy your orange juice and your favorite Jamaican tea. I recommend some ginger. And enjoy your scrambled eggs with your fried dumplings or your pancakes, whatever your choice is, or a slice of bread. And remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is the Learning Academy's Jamaican cooking show. And we love to cook for you, and we love to share our recipes with you. And I know you love the way we cook, and you love our recipes. So leave your comments down below. Let us know how your scrambled eggs turned out, if it was delicious, and please feel free to recommend any Jamaican recipe that you'd like for us to showcase on our cooking show. Now, remember to be good. Remember to take care of yourself. Continue to enjoy your food. Yum your food, sit down, drink your drink, drink your tea, and relax. Thanks for watching.